Unveiling EndoBeak, revolutionizing precision medicine. Welcome, viewers, to the future of precision medicine. Today, we dive into the groundbreaking innovation of EndoBeak, a product set to redefine medical diagnostics. EndoBeak, with its state-of-the-art technology, combines advanced AI algorithms and bioinformatics to deliver unparalleled accuracy in diagnosing diseases. Let's explore its key features. From real-time data analysis to predictive modeling, EndoBeak empowers healthcare professionals with comprehensive insights, ensuring faster and more precise diagnoses. But it doesn't stop there. The user-friendly interface allows seamless integration into existing medical workflows, making it accessible to healthcare providers worldwide. Through compelling case studies, we witness EndoBeak in action, detecting anomalies and guiding medical professionals toward effective treatment plans, ultimately saving lives. Don't just take our word for it. Hear from healthcare experts who share their experiences with EndoBeak and the positive impact it has had on patient outcomes. In conclusion, EndoBeak is not just a product, it's a leap forward in healthcare technology. Join us in embracing the future of precision medicine with EndoBeak. Like, share, and subscribe for more transformative innovations in the world of healthcare. EndoBeak, precision redefined.